Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on our YouTube channel, where we demonstrate the china that we're listing currently on the websites. Try and put a video embedded into the product so you can get a feel for the quality and condition and size, because it's quite often difficult to judge on a flat internet graphic what you're getting. Now, these are antique Royal Doulton Art Nouveau inspired design, as you can tell by that lovely flow blue pattern. Just look at that stack of 9 beautiful period 9.5 inch diameter dinner plates. So the slightly smaller of the 2 or 3 versions of this dinner plate design they would have made during the period. The pattern is one called Egerton, Egerton. It's got some very nice period Royal Doulton markings on it there. Classic English Royal Doulton lion and crown with the round banner below and the pattern number here, Egerton. None of these have actually got date impress marks on. Characteristic flow blue markings on the glaze on the undersurface of the plates, but just look at the glaze condition. It's very, very good. There is some fine glaze crazing just on some of the surfaces. Antique gilt retention around these really deeply rolling scalloped rims, but the actual pattern itself really well maintained and very light surface scratching on these antique dinner plates, as you can see when I get the light reflection. Just let me get that for you. We're videoing in a new location this morning with what I hope is going to be better light. So nice stack of these. Pattern is Egerton, manufacturer Royal Doulton, period of manufacture for these. Very difficult to be absolutely specific with Egerton Royal Doulton, but on those markings it's somewhere between 1900 and 1938 at the latest on those china markings. So a nice condition opportunity for a collector of Egerton. If you've got this pattern, you're looking for additional large dessert or small dinner plates. These are the 9.5 inch rim diameter version and a very good condition stack of plates available. They're going on the website this afternoon individually for sale, and that will allow you to replenish your stock for the required quantity. We'll put a link description graphic link below, which will hopefully take you directly through to the website listing for these dinner plates. Thanks for watching.